Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. How are you doing? I hope your trading must be going on very nicely. So today I want to discuss gold US dollar, and I want to give an opinion and my overview what I think about the gold dollar. So hopefully if anyone is interested to understand how gold is behaving at this moment, or what is the momentum of the market, then you can stay with me till the end, and I'm sure in this very friendly video you will be able to get some new concepts as well. Plus you will get a clear direction of the gold. Obviously, by the clear direction I mean the high probable direction, right? Nothing is guaranteed in forex, so all of you know this. And I am making this video with a mindset that the audience who will be watching my video, they will understand that nothing is guaranteed in the forex market. When we find these trading setups, when we analyze the market, it means we are trying to find good probable setups. So keep this one thing always in mind, my friends. So gold US dollar, I see this market very nicely trending up, and the last support it took, just have a look at it, 25.32. So we can say around 25.30, right? So this is on a monthly, the recent support, and now if I see it on the weekly, it also shows a very nice support. But obviously these two time frames are very much long term, and I would like to focus on the daily time frame, because you see we have got very fantastic structures on the daily time frame as well. What are these structures? Let's see. This one, right? So this is and this, so the combination of both of these lows, if you see, can give us a good clue that this structure will be helping us identify the next move in the market, right? So what after this? Obviously using my ABCD method, if you know from my previous videos, this was one of the probability as well, like this, if you see. And this is the 2450. It was showing a completion right here, but then what happened? This structure formed, and when this structure formed, obviously after it the market has to skyrocket, and since then, if we see, it has not yet followed any sort of Fibonacci on a daily time frame, right? Because it also gave a break of this structure. You see market like for 1 2 3 around 4 5 days, so it was ranging there, and then finally we start to see a break of structure from here. So this level can also help us very nicely, and I would like to adjust it like this, because this is even more stronger, right? So how is it more stronger? You see this, you see this, and you see this breakout, this retest. So it means now I have identified my impulsive wave. See, the market gave a break of structure, then it came back down, it took a retest, and then it continued back up. So obviously on a H4 level I have to consider this for my Fibonacci setups. So right here, if you see, last week the market definitely tried on 28th of February, when the month was closing. So it tried to come back down to 61.8% retracement, but the bulls were so in a rush, they never let the price go further down, and immediately they took buying decisions. So this whole story that I told you, it will help us identifying the future move of the market, right? Because if we see this market right now, it also shows a sell move, and it also shows a buy move. So let me do that with the help of Fibonacci. You see, this is now my verified impulsive wave. And how I do know this is, let's have a look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Almost 9 days the market is trading below this level. So for now, on a daily time frame, I can very easily identify this level as an impulsive leg, or in other words, this will be the point B. Let me write it down right here so that you guys don't get confused, because after all, I'm all here for your help. So yes, I can very easily consider this as my point B, and obviously this will become my point A. Today in this video I'm more of like talking to like beginners as well, because I know 95% of the traders, even if you have spent 10 or 20 years in forex trading, but if you are not profitable, so I will say you are a beginner for me, right? Now if we see, it was supposed to go till this price point, and I definitely for now will assume this level as my Fibonacci and as my completion of the C to D leg. So how that looks like, just see this my friends, and obviously it indicates to a very bigger number, and that is 3033. So on a daily time frame, from a 61.8% retracement, if we see, it will be suggesting an up move. But looking at these higher time frames, I am right now not interested in buying this market, right? Because if I buy, I can easily get into a trap. This is not actually a buying zone, right? So it represents 30, 46 and fundamental events also on its way. So let's see that if it go up there or if it continue further down. Now I was telling you that this market also indicates a drop at this particular zone. So how that drop is going to look like, definitely it will look like this. And at this stage, to me, most likely the market is going to do this first, because if we see, this Fibonacci number right here is almost missed from the market. So even if there are very strong bulls who want to take the price to 3046.09, what my opinion will be, I will say let the market drop till here, and once it drops to 2817 and 27 or 2800, if you see right here 2799 approximately, then we can try to take a buy decision from here. Another opportunity, and that obviously will be to look for a sell trade right here at this high, right? So if any type of double top is formed up there, then I definitely will be considering it for a sell. And obviously if it breaks, then the story will be something else. Remember friends, that whenever you trade, try to consider these levels, right? Now the same chart, if I show you on the H4, it will be on a Fibonacci numbers, it will be showing a sell area, right? Because the market, let me open a new chart for the H4. On the H4, if you see, this market is behaving like this, see, because there is a Fibonacci number right here, and the image seems to be very blurry at this stage. Why blurry? Because it is not clearly breaking it out, it is not clearly breaking it down. So what does that mean is that there is some sort of bulls present in the market. Now who are those bulls? Let me also show you those bulls to you. And now I'm switching to the H1. So what I'm saying is the probability will decrease, right? I'm not discussing it with a trading point of view, but I'm rather explaining that how this whole market is driven at this present moment. So if we see again the market took a 50 retracement from here, a very blurry image right here. And if you see, market closes above this, traded above that, came back down, took a retest, so and another retest. So on the H1, well, yes, I will clearly identify these two levels as a range, and if it closes above this, then on the H1 traders can look for potential buys towards 25.96 and 29.50 approximately, right? So an overall zone of around 261 pips. And let's see, to the sell side of the market, well, yes, this image is not yet clear, so again I will become more comfortable to say that the market is bearish once I get a break below this 61.8% retracement. Now let's also have a look at pound dollar, right? Because yesterday, first let's first have a look at the euro dollar. So on a euro dollar, if we see yesterday, what I said is, let me find that exact chart for all of you. Yes, yesterday what I have discussed is, let me again recall that a little bit, that there was this break of the trend, and there we have identified this particular zone, and obviously this zone was also this belongs to a 618 right here near 1.06520 of these traders, right? But on the other hand side, since this is a weekly and a very huge and massive candle at this stage, on a daily, I also said it yesterday to all of you that, my friends, if I get one more rejection just like this, and even one more, so maybe next week on Wednesday onwards, I can consider it for a sell. Otherwise I definitely will wait. If I show you the H4 perspective, maybe if a double top forms up there with divergence on the RSI, then one can easily trade it till this zone right here, 61.8% retracement, and this 61.8% will be a price of 1.05460. So let's see, a lot of patience right here. See, this is a very strong number. Yesterday I also said, if I get a chance, I'm most likely going to buy euro dollar right here. So it is again still standing. Like yesterday we have got a rejection, as I said, and it was 77 pips. So let me know in the comment section how much pips you get from the market yesterday, right? Now let me quickly move to the pound dollar. Let's see, it's right here. Now on the pound dollar, yesterday, even in the video, I took this trade in front of you, and even I was also holding a gold trade. So with a 9 pips of a loss, I'm leaving the market right now, because on a pound dollar, the short-term image of the market is not yet exactly clear to me. And the recent support, if we see, it is also way up to 1.3000 on a higher time frame. So let's see, let's see this one as well, because it is also a fantastic trend already established. So it will play a very important role. Plus on a higher time frame, on a weekly, it also shows a head and shoulder pattern up there. So on a daily, this is one level where it is supposed to take a rejection, and if this level don't work, then I think the market will definitely be skyrocketing, right? So let's just ignore this head and shoulder pattern, and let's just stay like stick with the older plan, because we have booked the profits. All of the positions are closed with a long-term profit of around from 13th of January and till yesterday, so 5th of March, so around you can say 1.5 month, and 1.5 month investing trade opportunity, 822 pips generated. So let's say even if we take 74 or 80 pips of risk, still that will be covered from our profit that we made. Remember, my friends, you may have observed it that most of the time when the traders trade, you will be like making profits every day, and in just one or two trades you just blow it all. Why that happens? Because we don't understand the market. This is a very killer market as well. At the same time, this is very simple market as well. It depends on the mindset of a trader. If your mindset, remember, if your mindset is right and if you are positive, then I'm sure these techniques, these methods will definitely be working for you. So yes, this was a little forecast, and I just want to focus on the beginners. As I said in my at the start of this video, that any trader, even he, if he is trading from 20 years but is not consistently making profit, is a beginner for me. So when you are not making profits consistently, it's the time to stop and it's the time to invest in your learning, right? You enhance your learning capabilities, you enhance your trading capabilities. Try to have an edge over those traders who just ignore these tiny things. Remember, tiny changes makes a very big positive difference. Try to be always positive, my friends, because negative mindset will always lead you to failure. So positive mind, promise me, from now onwards you will be looking at this market with a very positive mindsets, right? So this was a daily forecast for gold. You can say this was my gold update. I have some issue. If you guys can help me find a very good name for these daily updates, it will be very nice. Thank you so much. I will see you tomorrow in the weekly forecast. Try to not miss that. So I should say, take a lot of care of yourself and goodbye.